Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Wells Fargo app login and Face ID easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your Wells Fargo app on your mobile device. If you are unable to log in, select the Forgot Password option. Follow the prompts to reset your password. You will be asked to provide your username and last 4 digits of your social security number. Check your email for a verification link sent by Wells Fargo. Click on the link and follow the instructions to create a new password. Once you have reset your password, return to the app. Enter your username and newly created password to log in. If you want to set up Face ID, navigate to the app settings. Find the Face ID option within the security settings. Tap on Enable Face ID. Follow the prompts to complete the setup process. Ensure your device's Face ID feature is enabled in the device settings. Exit the settings and return to the app. Next time, you can simply use Face ID for quicker access. If you encounter any issues, consider reinstalling the app. Reinstalling can resolve any glitches affecting the login process. Once reinstalled, repeat the login process with your new password. Now you are ready to use the Wells Fargo app safely and conveniently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.